Oh, okay, we're starting over. That's okay. We'll do a part 1 and a part 2 of the review, huh? That's okay. That doesn't bother me. So this will be part 2. Okay, give me a thumbs up when you're ready. So I made my equation. So now let's use it. So 10 years, I'm just going to put 10 in for x. All right, 10 years, I go y equals 8.46, 1.42 to the 10 power. I'm just going to let my calculator do that, right? I'm just going to go, okay, 8.46 times 1.42 to the power of 10. And we're going to sell about 282 trampolines that year. We better hire some more people, huh? 282 trampolines. Trampolines, probably. Now, you hire Ariel as your new manager, and Ariel says, dude, we're making some good money. When are we going to sell 500? How many years is it going to take us before selling 500 per year? So then, what about 500 trampolines? What year? So we take a look at our equation. Y equals 8.46 times a 1.4 to the x power, and this time we want to find out when is it going to equal 500. So we're going to put 500 in for y. So put 500 in for y because that's the number of trampolines. All right. I'm going to go 500 equals 8.46 times a 1.42 to the x power. Okay. How do we solve? Well, we're going to probably have to do a logarithm. That's okay. We can do that. We can handle this. Okay. Tell me when you're ready, though. I'll wait for you because I want you to see this. So, for the last problem, I set it equal to 500. So 500 equals my equation. All right. Well, to solve for x, first I'll divide. You okay with that? Divide. So the first step is to divide both sides by an 8.46. All right, so my calculator, I'm going to go 500 divided by my 8.46. I'm going to keep this number in my calculator. It's about 59.1. So I got 59.1 equals 1.42 to the x. Now, if I change this is what I love about these fancy calculators. But if I change this to log form, my calculator will be able to do it. So I'm going to go from exponential to log. I'm going to go from exponential form to log form. So I'm going to rewrite this as log base 1.42 of 59.1 equals x. Now my fancy calculators can do this. It can go math, fancy log button, log base, and I can go 1.42. I mean, these calculators will do that, of a 59.1, and I'll get an answer of about 11.633. By year 12, we're making it. Now, if you don't have the fancy calculator, you can always go or log of 59.1 divided by log of 1.42, and you'll get the same answer, okay, if you don't have a fancy calculator. And if you don't have a fancy calculator, maybe Mr. Bard has one, okay? All right. Now, I do have an assignment